Yeah, because we are the very professional manufacturer for the patient monitor, and then also the human dialysis, home care products, ECG machine, filter monitor, and then we very pleasure can come here and show these shows for our customers. We have old customers and we have new customers, and then we are very welcome them to come here to feel our products and to enjoy our brand and our service. And our stand is very clear and very function and very safe, of course. And we are very welcome all the distributors can come here. Yes.